Hey Chicago, what do you say? That's right, Ascend is heading to the Windy City from September 12th through the 14th! And I'd like to personally invite you to join us. Chicago is the perfect place for the ultimate rehab therapy business summit. And it's no stranger to big ideas and spirited debates. And that's what you can expect at Ascend 2024. For our 11th annual event, our goal is to unite the industry by mapping the future of rehab therapy together. We're designing this year's lineup of incredible speakers and engaging sessions to deliver strategies that transform your practice, help move our profession forward, and leave you feeling inspired. Best of all, the networking opportunities are second to none. You'll get to rub elbows with other therapy pros from all over the country and talk shop with industry innovators. Then you and your newfound friends can hit the town to enjoy everything Chicago has to offer. From scenic views and shopping to art, culture, food, and of course, sports fandom, such as doubles, Cubs, Sox, and the Bears. All within walking distance or just a short ride on the L. Head over to ascendevent.com and get your early bird tickets at the lowest price of the year. But hurry, this deal ends June 14th. We'll see you at the Midway this September for education, networking, and some of the best food around. But leave your ketchup at home.